What were you just doing?
Rocking it like a baby.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so today we're going to be installing this MA Performance intake on my 2017 STI, and here's a little how-to. Okay, so here's the intake, obviously, and the filter, and then they gave us the heat shield, the hardware, and the coupling with the clamps. So we are ready. So now we gotta disconnect the battery. That's step one.
Yes.
Doing a 10 mil. Next, we're gonna unplug the sound tube, which is right here, and then plug it. And you're gonna pull the other side of it off. And then use this plug. It goes right over that, doesn't it? So we had to take it out to get it on because it was pretty freaking tight.
Just gonna pop that back in there.
There we go.
Yep.
Now we're gonna remove the 10mm bolts.
Which ones? You didn't really show them. You just kind of sent it.
That one.
That one right there.
And that one.
That one right there.
So we have to take these out. Here they are.
Now that whole guy is just gonna lift on out. Boom.
Next, we're gonna remove the MAP sensor.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Little tough guy.
Oh my goodness.
There you go.
There I go.
Okay, just kind of.
All right, thanks. Thanks for that. So then we gotta take these two off, but lucky for me, this one's already loose from factory. Thank you very much, Subaru. Making my life easier. And if I can get to this. You can use an 8mm or a flathead. So now we're gonna remove the intake. There we go.
Nice.
Can you stop?
No.
Stop.
No. No. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay. Now you're gonna remove that 10mm bolt down there. If you can see it.
Sorry, she hasn't been the best at explaining stuff. She's just kind of wanting to yeet everything off.
I'm just excited.
What was that?
I'm excited. You have to get so close.
Come on, kick through. Go faster. Doesn't mean sloppy.
Sick. Thanks, Subaru.
So how hard is this step?
Unclip. Oh.
That whole back portion is what comes off. Oh, well.
Well, you removed the rear section now.
Yep, I was going to say I kind of like... Well. Yeah. Here's the filter.
Now we're going to remove nuts.
To an end.
Well, and Felix's, eventually.
Yeah.
I don't want it.
Sorry, but I'm not dealing with like 8 corgi puppies.
I want corgi puppies. So I took this side off already. And you just save this for later. We will find out soon. Still don't know what that is.
That's a whole lot of space that opened up from that. Yeah?
Yeah. So it actually goes back on.
Right back.
Look at directions like, oh, next step, put bracket back on.
Yeah.
You make me so uncomfy.
It's my job, right?
So now we gotta take out the MAF sensor. And this just transfers straight onto the other one. So another 10 mil.
Yes.
This is where the heat shield's gonna go. Just pop that
There's
there.
a small 10mm bolt that has a ground wire going to the chassis down there. Then the heat shield's just going to slide over that, and the 10mm bolt's just going to go back through the heat shield.
So this was kind of a pain to get it installed, but we did it. We had to bend that a little bit. It wasn't perfectly straight. Got them both tightened down. And now it's time for this to go in. So we didn't record that because we had to flex a lot of stuff. We had to move this back
Yeah.
in order to get that to go onto there.
It's kind of a pain to get it like fully lined up, but
Yeah, we still have to straighten this a bit, tighten these down, and then last is putting on the MAP sensor. But yeah, really had to pull that back to get this to go over that.
looks so nice though.
Oh yeah. So don't forget to hook up your battery.
Final
I almost
step.
forget that. But yeah, I'm so super excited for how it looks and just to drive it and see what the difference is. So thanks again, MA Performance, MAP, however you want to say it. Everyone, tomato, tomato. Anyways, there it is. Love it.
Choo!